Now, when we last left off, we were looking at the actual blog itself that the viewer would see. Now, so one of the first questions you're going to ask is, well, how the heck do I get back to the dashboard, the control panel, so that I can edit my blog? That's where this meta part comes in. You will see site admin. Click on that, and that takes you to the dashboard. All right. So first, I want to change the password. So I'm going to go to Options, and on Options, by the way, let's set the time code right. We're in Korea, so we are actually 9 hours plus GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So just put a 9 in there. It knows it's a plus. And let's see what else. Okay, that's where I would change the title. So I'm going to put the title as AP Lit Blog. It's still not very original. And that tagline, just another KISblogs.org weblog, that's the sort of subtitle of the blog. Change to something, reading for the 21st century, something, whatever, right? You got choices. If you want people who comment to have to log in, you can check that, but that's awfully sort of aversive. People choose not to comment rather than have to log in. Anyway, you click Update the Options to save that. But I still, okay, so how do I change the password? Go to My Profile, right there, My Profile. And as you scroll down, New Password at the bottom. So I'm going to change my password. And click Update Profile. Let's see, you can put a little biographical information about yourself. Excuse me. And update the profile. So now we've saved our password, new password. Okay, now how do you get the appearance of the blog to look better? Presentation is where you go to. Notice this is your dashboard. This is where you write. You click on that. That's where you write new posts for your blog or new pages. We'll go through all these things later. Okay, but right now we want to talk about presentation. I'm going to hit pause while it's loading. Okay, and it's finished loading. So you see this is our current, they're called themes. It's just the design of your blog. So right now we're on this default theme, which is the Kubrick theme. It's really boring and ugly. You notice as you scroll down, I've uploaded over 100 different appearances. So just scan through it and look for one that you like. I'm going to put it on pause right now, and I'm going to select one. Well, just, you know, as you keep going down, you see that you have many, 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 many choices. So I'm going to hit pause and find one that I like. Okay, and I found one that I like. It's called Rules. So to choose that one, you just click on it. And now that's my new theme. Now the next thing that we want to do, if we look at the site, I'm going to show you sidebar widgets. It's stupid language like wikis, blogs, all of this stuff is stupid language, but it's powerful. So what are widgets? Let's see. You see that we've got our new design. You see it's an empty blog, nothing has been written there yet. But the sidebar is this thing over here. Alright, you see there's a recently written thing, archives, that's all the old posts, categories, links, meta, and feed. We'll talk about this stuff later. But I can change this sidebar and put things in it and take things out of it. So that's what we're going to do when we go to the sidebar widgets. Click on sidebar widgets. And this is what we get to, the sidebar arrangement. It says you can drag and drop widgets into your sidebar below. So there's a sidebar, and right now it's just on default. But if you scroll down, you'll see all of these different widgets that you can just drag and drop. Now the ones that I want are maybe a calendar. So I'm going to just click on it and hold it down and drag it up there, and you see that it just falls into the sidebar. Maybe pages. No, not yet. Categories. I want some links in there. And I want recent posts, recent comments. It's nice to have a search bar in there. And finally, really important, meta. Meta is what gives you, again, that link that says edit this blog and lets you get back to your dashboard. So I'm going to click Save Changes down there. And now my sidebar will look different when we look at it. So you see that we've got the meta, the recent comments, the recent posts, the blog roll, and oh, that search bar doesn't seem to work very well, so I'm going to go back and take it out. And click Save again. And now when I look at it, the search bar is gone, and there are all of my things, which we'll build more of later. But anyway, that's how you change your design. Okay, you see there's my reading for the 21st century tagline, all that sort of thing. So choose your theme, and now you're ready to move in and make it pretty.